Hi, this is Keith Bryant for Global SMT and Packaging Magazine at Productronica India. And I'm here with my good friend Anusorn, who is the Southeast Regional Manager for SAKI. Right, so Anusorn, a lot of things happening at SAKI. Maybe you can share some.
That's right. So actually, we stay in Southeast Asia for many years for this business. So, but this year it seems to be big change. We did a lot of the things. So right now it's this year we did a lot of tests for our XLA machine. We're quite successful to get many orders. So from Malaysia, from Thailand, now we also try to promote this XLA machine to Indian market also. So and then apart from this XLA machine, we also have a high resolution AOI and SPI machine. We try to promote to this market. So we try to step into semiconductor more and more. Day by day, yeah.
So you're broadening the range, huh?
Yeah, that's right. So we have such kind of a high resolution 3 micron machine to serve to this market also.
Whoa.
Yeah.
That's pretty much up at the high end of the business, 3 microns, huh?
Yes, and then I can say that even it's not official release yet, but we did a lot of tests, and then our members is really trialing. I mean, not trialing means spend more time to do that. So some people don't know that, but we try to make the good thing to serve to the customer.
Yep. And you've moved also to a new factory with manufacturing.
Yeah. So our factory in Japan, we also ship to get a bigger place to have enough space to make a more AXI machine. Yeah.
So I suppose as volumes grow, production has to grow with it.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, and now with the new machines that you're launching, you're going to get hopefully more success in the market.
Yeah, that's right. We have a lot of plan to release next year, especially by Q2. We have many products coming up.
Oh, so even though you've just had releases this year, you're going to have more.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah,
that's right.
So that's going to be a busy time for you and the rest of the team, I would guess.
Yeah, that's right. I don't want to say try yet, but we try our best to support the customer.
Yeah, I know it's always difficult when the market is growing and the technology is changing, and it's basically tough, but it's our life.
Yeah, that's right. Our people have to learn more about new technology, and then also our new machine also. Yeah, to discuss with the customer.
Yep.
Yeah.
And obviously that's happening throughout Asia, not just happening in India.
Yeah, that's right. It's true.
Yeah.
It's true.
But is India your fastest growing market within Southeast Asia?
Yeah, actually, we try to catch up more, and then we try to work more closely with our partner. So we try to display our machine to put in our agent showroom like that.
Yep.
Yeah.
And obviously you're here at the show with the big stand. Has it been a successful show for you?
Yeah, it's quite successful. At least we get more inquiry from the customer. So after the show, we plan to visit customer one by one. Yep,
that's right. The contact at the exhibition is only the start, but if you don't have it, you don't have anywhere to go.
Yeah, that's right. It's true. So just only like a first stage to get inquiry. Then after the show, we have to follow. Yeah, we will discuss more and more with the customer.
Okay, Anusorn, well, thank you for sharing with us.
Thank you so much.
And I wish you a lot of success. That's Keith Bryant for Global SMT and Packaging Magazine at Productronica India, saying thank you for watching.
NMtronics India is your partner in technology, providing high-tech capital equipment for PCB assembly and testing through world-class equipment manufacturing companies. MINT is our state-of-the-art experience center in Noida, showcasing live SMT line performance. We take single-window responsibility for chip-to-ship for your SMT shop floor with customized Make in India automation solution. We are a team of 350-plus highly qualified and trained engineers representing 40-plus principals and spread 9 cities all across India, promising best equipment performance, quality, and service support.